Hello guys. In this section, we want to talk about run our React Native application on our real device. I have my iPhone 13 Pro with myself and I will run the application with Expo Go application. If you didn't install this application, just please go to App Store if you have iPhone or Google Play if you have Android phone, and just search for Expo Go application and install that. You won't need any configuration or anything else, just you need to install that application, the latest version. Okay, let's go and see what we have here. I have my application here, dating AI application, and my terminal that I opened with a same location root directory of the project. And simply, if I write npx expo start, as I mentioned, a QR code will comes up here. As you can see here, if I scan these, if I have iPhone, I can scan this QR code with my camera. But in Android devices, you should open the Expo Go application and scan this QR code from Expo Go application. Okay, as I have iPhone, I will share my screen here and will use camera to scan this QR code. And as soon as I scan this QR code, you can see that this yellow button appears here, open in Expo Go. And as soon as I tap on Expo Go, you can see this application that I have will load and comes up. Okay. The important things here that I should mention is your phone and your application should be on same network, same Wi-Fi, or for example, if your phone is connected to the, for example, local, or your for example your Wi-Fi, your laptop should be connected to the same. Okay. Here, if I in the terminal that I run the application, if I tap on R in the keyboard, it will rerun and re-render the application, as you can see here, and I can see the new changes in the application. And also, as soon as I made any change here in the code, let me put my phone here. As soon as I made some changes here and save it, you can see I can see the output at the same time in my phone. So we learned how we should run the application in our real device, how we can, for example, refresh the build, for example, with R here, and also as soon as we change some code in our editor, it will affect on the output as soon as we save that. So let's go and start working with cursor, learn more about that, and start working on the structure of the project, login page, and etc.